Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how we can enable this virtual quick ball or assistive touch button in your iPad devices. With the help of this button you can do many things like multitasking, screenshot also you can take, you can rotate the screen, and in custom you can set your required buttons here. And in devices you will see a lot of different features: volume, screen lock, gestures, home, app switchover. These are all things you can do with the help of this virtual button. How we can enable it: go to the setting and type here assistive touch. So left side you can see assistive touch setting, click on it. Under this, on right side you can see assistive touch radio button, just click it and on it. As you can see, virtual quick ball or assistive touch button has been appeared. So in this way you can enable this virtual quick ball or assistive touch button. Thank you so much for watching this video.